In this video we're giving you an honest look at the Simplex Crypto Payment App to help you understand how it works and whether it's safe for handling your crypto payments. Simplex is known for providing a fiat-to-crypto on-ramp service used by many exchanges and wallets, allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies with debit or credit cards through partner platforms with built-in fraud protection and risk checks. Users appreciate the speed and convenience. Transactions often complete quickly compared to some alternatives, and the fact that Simplex doesn't hold your funds long-term but routes purchases directly into your wallet or exchange account, which can reduce custody risk. On the safety side, Simplex operates with industry-standard compliance and anti-fraud measures, but because it involves card payments and identity verification, you should always ensure you're on the official Simplex flow through trusted partners, and be mindful of fees that can be higher than some direct exchange methods. Some users have reported occasional payment declines or support delays, which can be frustrating when you're trying to buy quickly, so managing expectations around customer service is important. Overall, Simplex can be a solid option for straightforward card-based crypto purchases through reputable apps, but it's not a storage solution and isn't a substitute for secure self-custody practices. For more honest crypto app reviews and tips to help you navigate digital finance safely and confidently, make sure to subscribe and join our community for smarter tech insights.